Marinja,
Tinas Marinja, Tale Shatini Makaya Sungina
Tinas Marinja,
Tinas Marinja, Tale Shatini Makaya Sungina
Kanjani
Makaya Sungina
Kanjani.
Hello, I'm Matthew McDonald, CEO from ICORP. This Giving Tuesday is about reflecting what your support has allowed to protect vulnerable ecosystems and their wildlife. As poaching threats grow, we've shifted our media approach to keep the identities of our rangers safe, but also focusing on strengthening our force within as an organization. This year, we've been working hard on our project called Guardians of Nature, which is developing a specialized ranger unit that can deploy and assist ecosystems under serious poaching threat. We have transformed from a client-based model to one that proactively serves areas under threat, especially areas that do not have the financial means for an equipped counter-poaching unit. It's been a year of intense certification, upskilling and strategic collaboration, both locally and international, to prepare for our 2024 programs and ranger deployments. Now meet two of our rangers who've grown from students to leaders, thanks to your unwavering support.
My journey at ICORP started as a student. I worked my way up into the control room. The control room is a very important operational side of the operation. We use the drones, we use the camera traps, and we use the Gaia maps to help the field rangers in the field. Thank you for your support and donating. Please keep donating for us. It is a very important part in our daily operation. Thank you.
Ngifikile la ICORP ngadi lutho ngemsebenzi bangifundisa. Bafunza ngelo ngeK9. Bafunza kusebenza ngetinja cause tinja ngiyathanda vele kakhulu ngoba inja ibona ivale engingakuva mina ibona lekingakuva lengingakuboni mina. Lesikhathi lesiningi ngiyole ngivikela ko that's why ngifune kufunza kusebenza ngayo kwathi kuyicontroller kwathi uthi ngibonise ngiyole ngivikela kona lamahlathini le ngivikela ngayo netilwane. Uma kuna something nangihamba ngenta i-patrol ngihamba nenja yami if nale ngingatholisisi kahle ngiyo inja yami letongibonisa lengibonisa ukuthi okay la kwenteka so uma kungene umuntu something lotoganga ngimfuna ngenja yami ngize ngimthole. Ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi ICORP ingibonise ingifundise lokuningi ngifike ngathi lutho manje sengiyathi ukuthi lokumcoka ngekuthi uvikele itilwane kukanjani uwenda kanjani and then utivikela kanjani umuntu itilwane because isilwane siyimvelo lephela kwa emhlabeni abantu bayibulala bathulalisa kwetintutwane yaphela mina manje ngitelekto uvikela itilwane ICORP umsebenzi wami lengutelele ngithanda kakhulu ICORP na ICORP ngifuna igabhe ngami ukuthi ayizange iqasha umuntu uyithola umuntu lo tabaniketa thinking something so manje into lengendawo ukuthi noma kunini ICORP ilikhaya lami imfudumalo yami.